Ready to shed some pounds without feeling overwhelmed? Losing weight naturally, especially for those with chronic conditions like chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, can seem daunting. But with the right approach, it's entirely possible. Let's dive into some practical tips that can help you on this journey. Here's how you can do it with CFS. First, start small. Tiny changes add up. It's important to remember that you don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Begin with manageable adjustments that fit seamlessly into your daily routine. For instance, if you're used to taking the elevator, try taking the stairs for a few floors. These small steps can lead to significant progress over time. Swap sugary drinks for water. Sugary beverages are often packed with empty calories that contribute to weight gain without providing any nutritional benefits. By replacing them with water, you not only cut down on unnecessary calories, but also keep your body hydrated. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels and supporting overall health. You'll be amazed at the difference. Not only will you likely notice a reduction in your weight, but you may also experience improved digestion, clearer skin, and better overall well-being. It's a simple change that can have a profound impact on your health. Next, listen to your body. This is especially crucial for those with CFS. Rest when you need it. Your body knows best when it needs a break. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout and exacerbate symptoms of CFS. Incorporate regular rest periods into your day to recharge and rejuvenate. Overexertion can make CFS worse. It's important to find a balance between activity and rest. Gentle activities like walking or yoga can help maintain your fitness without overtaxing your body. Gentle activities like walking or yoga can help. These low-impact exercises are not only beneficial for your physical health, but also for your mental well-being. They can help reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall quality of life. Focus on nutrition. Eat whole foods, fruits, veggies, lean proteins. A balanced diet is essential for weight loss and overall health. They fuel your body without unnecessary calories. Whole foods are rich in essential nutrients that support your body's functions and help you feel fuller for longer. Avoid processed foods that are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. Stay hydrated. Water is vital for every cell in your body. Water helps with metabolism and reduces fatigue. Proper hydration aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and can even help control hunger. Sometimes our bodies can mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Keep a bottle handy at all times. Having water readily available encourages you to drink more throughout the day. Consider setting reminders on your phone to take regular sips, especially if you tend to forget. Finally, stay positive. A positive mindset can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. Weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate small victories. Every step counts. Recognize and reward yourself for the progress you make, no matter how small it may seem. This can help keep you motivated and committed to your goals. So remember, small changes, listen to your body, eat whole foods, stay hydrated, and keep a positive mindset. These principles are the foundation of a healthy lifestyle and can lead to sustainable weight loss. You've got this. Believe in yourself and your ability to make positive changes. With patience and persistence, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Another great tip is to keep a journal. Documenting your progress can be incredibly motivating. Write down what you eat, how you feel, and any changes you notice in your body and mood. This can help you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. Set realistic goals. It's important to have achievable milestones that you can work towards. This not only keeps you focused, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you reach each goal. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Enjoy your meals. Take the time to savor each bite and appreciate the flavors and textures of your food. Mindful eating can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and prevent overeating. Find joy in activities. Engage in hobbies and activities that bring you happiness and fulfillment. This can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Connect with a support group. Sharing your journey with others who understand what you're going through can provide encouragement and motivation. Whether it's an online community or a local group, having a support system can make a big difference. Practice self-care. Taking time for yourself is crucial. Whether it's a relaxing bath, reading a book, or meditating, self-care activities can help you recharge and stay focused on your goals. Plan your meals. Meal planning can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute temptations. Create a grocery list of nutritious foods and stick to it. This can save you time and ensure you have healthy options available. Celebrate with friends, share your successes with loved ones, and celebrate your achievements together. This can provide additional motivation and make your journey more enjoyable. Reflect on your journey. Take time to look back at how far you've come and appreciate the progress you've made. This can help you stay motivated and committed to your goals. You've got this. Believe in yourself and your ability to make positive changes. With patience and persistence, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips have been helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Stay healthy and stay motivated.